This delicious fruit will unclog arteries and prevent heart disease. Despite the amazing taste, pomegranate is one of the healthiest fruits on the planet, full of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and 3 times as many antioxidants as both green tea and wine. According to the Times, pomegranate has many incredible health benefits for your body. It is known as a divine fruit because it is the most mentioned fruit in theological books. Pomegranate has antioxidant, antiviral and anti-tumor properties and is said to be a good source of vitamins, especially vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, as well as folic acid. The findings of a study published in the journal Atherosclerosis have shown that pomegranate extract can successfully prevent and/or reverse the primary pathology linked to heart disease and restore health. Pomegranates offer a myriad of health benefits, including 1. 2 powerful plant compounds. The peel and juice of these fruits contain punicalagins, which are powerful antioxidants, while the seeds are rich in punicic acid, which are responsible for most of their health benefits. 2. Important nutrients. Pomegranates are full of antioxidants and thus prevent cell damage due to oxidation. A cup of pomegranate seeds provides 144 calories, 7 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The powerful anti-inflammatory properties of this fruit fight inflammation in the body and thus protect against heart disease, obesity, cancer, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's. 4. Treat bacterial and fungal infections. The plant compounds in pomegranates destroy bacteria in the body and treat fungal infections. 5. Regulate blood pressure. The consumption of 150 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily for 2 weeks has been shown to drastically lower blood pressure and thus lower the risk of strokes and heart attacks.